Spanish 4, Beauty and Aesthetics, vocab 241 through 245. Now, everybody say escenario. Escenario. It means stage. The scene was performed on the stage. Or visualize a really well set up stage, and the scenery includes a river. The scenery on the stage includes a very realistic river. Like they used wrinkled blue paper, and they used aluminum foil and saran wrap, and it looks really cool. So the stage had scenery including a very realistic river. Now, style or fashion is estilo. Some of you are thinking, no, Spanishguyhult, it's moda. You can say moda, or you can say estilo. And again, style in English has STL, estilo in Spanish is STL. 3 letters, same order. Now, in Spanish, they have trouble starting a word, as we've mentioned, with a stressed S. We say student, they add an E and say estudiante. We say study, or we say Stephen, they add an E and say Esteban. So style is estilo. And notice the letter Y turns into I. You see that a lot in Spanish. They don't like the letter Y. So a lot of times, if the English word has a Y, it turns into I. Like Mary turns into Maria, day turns into dia, style turns into estilo. Nobody's going to miss pedicure. And for you guys that might not know that, you males, it means when you get the toenails on your feet done and trimmed and they look all nice. And I guess you put, what is it called? Fingernail polish or whatnot on your toenails. I guess it'd be toenail polish. Plastic is plástico. Now, like pedicure, it's got a lot of the same letters. It's got, 7 of the same letters. But what I want you to notice is the accent mark. The accent says, hey, don't stress the next to last vowel. Don't say plástico, stress me, plástico. So an accent mark, again, is a big arrow that says break the rule. Don't stress the vowel you expect to stress, stress me. In English, we say special effects. In Spanish, we say effects special. Efectos especiales. Okay? Now, special in Spanish isn't just especial. Again, you add an E and say especiales. Now, why is it plural? Well, especiales is an adjective referring to effects. And since effects is plural, especiales has to be plural. Also notice that in English, effects has 2 Fs, but in Spanish, efectos only has 1 F. Why? Because the only 4 commonly doubled letters in Spanish are C-E-L-R. Let's take our post quiz and give you a chance to review. Look at the English and say the Spanish equivalents out loud, or even better, write them down. This has been Spanish 4, Beauty and Aesthetics, vocab 241 through 245.